Hey you guys, this is Shivani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, again, I'm gonna review a skincare product which is for oily acne prone skin. I know it's summers and dealing with acne while having an oily skin type can be a very difficult task. I have an oily combination skin type which is most of the time very oily, like my T-zone is very oily, and I have been dealing with this issue since a long time now. I have been having hormonal acne and everything and whatnot. So after doing skincare products and skincare ingredients research for a few years and then watching many informative videos, it has helped me a lot. I still deal with these issues like hormonal acne and everything, but I know what ingredients and products suits me well. So today I'm going to talk about that one product which is going to be a game changer for you guys. It has been for me and I'm still learning. I'm not a professional esthetician or any, I can't recommend products which are recommended by dermatologists, but still I recommend those which are very natural, helpful, and can be used by any skin type or any gender. If you're looking for one such product which is affordable yet very effective on your acne prone oily skin, so please keep watching this video till the end. I bet you will like it, and trust me, you will like it. So let's get started. Raman Babu, Babda, hello. So today we have this product. This is a Miracle Dust powder from the brand Bask in Nature. So this brand is a homegrown brand. It is free from all the harsh chemicals. It is made with natural ingredients, 100% natural. Like seriously, trust me on this. You won't find any chemical or any preservatives in it. So this brand provides high quality products, claims to give effective results with the consistent usage of any product. So they have skincare, hair care, lip care and baby care products. They have like serums, face pack and this Miracle Dust powder in the skincare range. In hair care range they have hair oils, hair mask and neem wood combs. In baby care range they have massaging oil, bath powder, busting oil and then almond oil as well. Talking about this product now, it has amazing ingredients. It has rose petal powders, hibiscus petal powders, wild turmeric and whatnot. And also if you are allergic to wild turmeric, then please you can skip it or you can ask them to customize it for you. It also has chandan powder. It has black cardamom powder as well. This is like a one-stop solution for your oily acne prone skin. This is not only for oily skin, but this is for all skin types. Anyone can use this. They do have a mini version of it which is of 25 grams. It comes for 220 rupees and this 50 gram of tub comes for 385 rupees. Also you can get this on discount if you use my code Shivani10. So how do you use this powder? You have to use this with milk and honey only. Half teaspoon of this powder, half teaspoon of honey and milk. Make a paste and apply it all over your face. Keep this for 30 minutes and wash it off with water. You can also keep it for 15 minutes, but if you have ample of time you can keep it for 30 minutes. Do not expect this to give you an instant glow because this is a treatment product for your acne, fine lines and wrinkles. This is not something which will give you instant brightening glow. They do have a brightening face pack, you can check that out. But if you keep using this consistently, you will actually see the difference in your skin. Obviously it will heal your pimples and acne like magic. And talking about glow and the brightening effect, it will give that, but you will have to use this very consistently and gradually your skin will start glowing from within. When I first used this product, I was very skeptical to continue using it or not because it has chandan powder which is not finely milled. But do not worry, it is kind of a bit prickling on the skin. It heals pimples and acne very fast. It flattens out them. Like I was not expecting this product to actually flatten out my pimples like this, but I was amazed. And then when I continuously used it like twice a week, thrice a week, it actually showed the results. It also doesn't dry out unlike the other mask does. Also, after healing the pimples and acne, it doesn't leave any blemish or dark spot behind, so don't worry about that. It is very safe to use, but please do a patch test before using this on your face. Try it somewhere on your neck or on your hand. Some people can be allergic to natural ingredients, we never know. So I've finished a lot of product and I'm gonna order 2-3 more tubs of it. And trust me guys, this is the only product you'll need this summer, also in every season, but yes, you'll need this. If you are struggling with acne and oily skin, please do give this a try. And you can use my code, which is Shivani10. I'll give the Instagram link and their WhatsApp link in the description box. Do not forget to check their Instagram page, as they are an homegrown brand. They don't have a website right now, but by God's grace they will have it soon. Whenever you'll apply this mask, please be gentle while washing it off. Do not scrub it at all, because as I said, it has that chandan powder which is not finely milled. And this other product which I bought from them was their lip balm, which is in beetroot variant. This is like their best selling product. They do have other two variants, that is nude and pink variant. I chose this beetroot variant. It is a very good lip balm. Ingredients in this are shea butter, kokum butter, floral extracts, beetroot extract, and cold processed natural oils. The best thing about this lip balm is it gives a very natural pink, dark pink kind of tint on the lips, and it does stay for 5 to 6 hours. Yes, I'm not lying. It gives a very good hydration on the lips. I use this anytime, but I always prefer to use it in the night as a lip mask. I applied 2-3 layers of it and I sleep, and the next morning my lips are very hydrated and smooth. This also comes in a roller packaging. If you're comfortable with this tub packaging, you can get this, or you can get the roller one. If I finish this one, I'm gonna get the roller packaging, because always digging your hand in this lip balm is kind of unhygienic, but I try to wash my hands whenever I dig into this. I guess this comes for 350 rupees, if I'm not wrong. I'll mention on the screen. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Please do give this products a try and check out their Instagram as well. You will find a lot of good products. Also, you guys know it by now that even if it's a collaboration, I never gave fake reviews, or I will never do it in future, because I always like to give honest and unbiased reviews. So that's it guys, bye bye.